In this video, let's take a look at creating a ruled surface using the tapered to vector type. So we'll start by selecting ruled surface, selecting tapered to vector for our type, and you'll notice that our distance direction box has actually changed. The first thing I want to do is make my edge selection, and then we want to take a look at what it's actually looking for in terms of distance and direction. Now, since we're creating a surface that is tapered to a vector, we need a plane reference. So what I'm going to do in this case is select our top plane. So you'll notice that even though our surface is kind of twisted in space here, that our new ruled surface is going to be tapered towards or away from our top plane. Now we can change the direction of this simply by altering the angle or the normal direction next to our plane choice. And then we can actually alter the direction of the draft. In this case, let's go ahead and kick this up to maybe 5 degrees so we can see it a little bit better. If we highlight our edge selection, we have an alternate side option. So if you click this, you can see that we can actually draft inward or outward, and we can go toward or away from our plane reference. So unlike creating a normal to surface option, the taper to vector option allows you to create a surface that is tapering towards a plane, for instance, maybe a pull direction if you're dealing with a molded part. So you're allowed to add draft, you're allowed to pull towards a plane, and you can create this consistent border all the way around your part. For instance, if we wanted to just do a 1/4 inch, this would be able to create a tapered reference, looking at this from our top plane, to allow us to create some additional geometry, such as a drafted part. Then you could go on and do maybe an offset surface, such as this. We can go ahead and offset this a 1/4 inch, and then use our ruled surface, tangent to surface option, and we can select this border. And that way we get a surface that is actually going all the way out to our border. We can knit these together, we can trim and so on. So this is a good way to use the tools to your advantage. You can create this geometry instead of doing a simple thicken where you won't actually get the draft around the border. You would want to use something like this tapered to vector ruled surface option.